The cage. Master designers, welcome live backstage. Now let's take a look behind the scenes at the making of the Long Island Circus. Pleased to meet ya. Master designer Kyle Friedman at your service. This is where all the magic happens. Incredible. What's this wheel for? Yep. Wow. I never imagined that all this would be possible. Hello. I assume you guys are performers as well?
Yes. No, me. Yes. They are the artists. I am the worker.
So, guys, I've heard rumors that Yo Gabba Gabba, an old show from 2007, is gonna have a new movie next year.
What? Once again?
It's called Yo Gabba Gabba.
Gabba Gabba?
Yeah, it's an old kids show. I heard there's gonna be a new movie for it. Say, do you think those characters from that show are gonna appear live on stage next year?
I don't know nothing about this. Unfortunately.
Well, are you guys interested in drawing characters?
Drawing?
Drawing stuff.
Yeah.
I can teach you. I might have to borrow your mobile device to show you it real fast.
What do you need?
Just go to YouTube and type in Kyle Friedman Amino.
Type it by yourself?
Okay. There. You are. This is it. How long have you guys been performers for?
Performer? On the stage since I was 6.
Wow.
Kind of the same.
You guys are going to be immortalized.
What?
You guys are probably going to become immortalized in history.